Hi guys, I would like to show you how my New York Times trending news application works. I currently scrape information from the New York Times website. I scrape different sections of the New York Times website, and then it populates into my CLI RB, whereby um, I could get a command line interface, and it prompts me to select certain numbers in order for me to use my Ruby Gem application. So to get this going, I'm going to run the application. Okay, great. So now there are currently a lot of things happening right now on my script, like different sections. I needed, a little bit of technology or sports or business. So currently, I'm reading today that the Verizon laid off about 2,100 employees, which is kind of shocking and weird because I thought Verizon was doing really well. But if I wanted to read more about this article, I would need to select one. As you can see, it prompts me to select the article. And great, so it shows me the article, like it gives me a snippet of what's happening and what's going on in the article. So if I wanted to read more about this particular, the article that New York Times is trending about, I could open the link and it brings me to the article. And if I wanted to read more details, I could go in and see what's going on and figure out why they're laying off so many employees during this time period. What's also great about this is that if I wanted to if I wanted to go select another article, I just press 2. It just gives me the numbers, and then I could read more about that again with selecting the article over here. What's also great about this is that it's a number constraint. So if you press like 99, it's going to ask the user to select the valid number, which should happen. If I go back to my list, it displays me the list of articles again. And if I wanted to just leave this section and leave the application and work on something else, I just press exit, and it takes me back to takes me out of the Ruby Gem, and I can now work on other things in the application. I think it's a pretty awesome app. It gives me the news at my fingertips without buying a newspaper. I will definitely add more sports articles in this because I'm a huge sports fan. But this works for me. I believe it could work for a lot of users as well, and just to get like a snippet of what's actually going on in the world while sitting at your computer at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.